the Anakalang Lanzones Festival, the first ever non-religious festival of Laguna from the municipality of Nagcarlan.
It's Yule Bridal Legazpi from the home of Sikayan Festival, Santa Rosa!
Kim Leonard Argablandilla from the Vegetable Packet of Southern Luzon, Nagcarlan!
Please Jonas Karan from the enterprise city of the Philippines, city of Cabuyao.
Kailan Narduara Dizon, representing the Garden Capital of Laguna, municipality of Bay!
Sikat from the Special Science and Nature City of the Philippines, Los Baños. Mula sa bayan ng Pitong Lawa, Francis Andre Pulisto, San Pablo.
Karoto Quiates mula sa bayan ng Pingkong Katingaw, Cabuyao.
Ivan Alcantara from City of Magic, City of Santa Rosa.
Johan Susano from the Pamilihan Festival, Santa Rosa.
Ben Jimenez, nagmula kung saan may pinakamasarap na kape, lungsod ng Cabuyao.
Ever Panlangit from the Boyani Festival of the Philippines, city of Calamba!
Joshua Magal Dizon mula sa bayan ng mga Dax, wak wak wak, Viva Victoria!
Christian Luis Gray from the home of historical landing point and underground cemetery, the municipality of Nagcarlan!
Chapet Suleta Karatuan from the largest skiing top of Turumpo, municipality of Rizal, province of Laguna.
From the town of rivers and waterfalls and the home of the first ever minor basilica in Laguna, this is Leonard Oliveros Derecho from the municipality of Hayhay! Christian Lamargo from the home of original and delicious Bonay, municipality of Bahay!
Christian Casinyo mula sa Little Baguio ng Laguna, bayan ni Luis Ana, Louisiana! Andre Bayo mula sa bayan ng Rizal, Laguna, Pinudong Gulay.
John Freddy Muller II from the Special Science and Nature City, municipality of Los Baños. Ni Anakalang, Nagcarlan.
Juan San Andres Torres from the Lion City of the South, city of Santa